Hello and welcome back, all my dear students. Today, in mathematics, we shall be continuing the same topic, that is, managing information, part 2. Have a look at the picture shown on the screen and tell me, what do you see? Yes, in the picture we can see that children are celebrating birthday. It's a birthday party. And tell me, students, what do we cut on our birthday? Yes, it's a cake. We cut cake on birthdays, on anniversaries, on some special occasions. These occasions has a particular date. For example, your birthday. It comes on the same day every year. The date, the month won't change. There are 12 months in a year. In previous video of maths, we have learned that there are 12 months in a year, and we have also learned about the number of days it has. Now, my dear students, on the screen you can see that some information is given. Name of the month and birthdays are given in this table. Now, my dear students, what are we going to do is, we are going to observe this table very carefully, and there are some questions under this table. You can refer your textbook, maths textbook, for the same, and we are going to answer those questions. Maya and Tanaya celebrates their birthday in month of January. Amit, Sahil and Kanak celebrates their birthday in month of February. In month of March, Hina, Mary, Madhu and Neeraj celebrates their birthdays. Veena, Vedant and Shakil celebrates their birthday in month of April. Fatima, Ved celebrates their birthday in month of May. Zaina and Yu celebrates their birthday in month of June. Now in month of July, no one celebrates their birthday here. In month of August, Chandu, Dhyan, Bakul, they celebrates their birthday. Eva and Pranav celebrates their birthday in month of September. Joseph and Chaitali celebrates their birthday in month of October. In month of November, Joy, Razia and Maithili celebrates their birthday. Padma and Ronnie celebrates their birthday in month of December. Let us find out the answers of the questions given below. In which month do Chaitali and Joseph have their birthdays? Now have a look at the table and find it out. Yes, you're right. Chaitali and Joseph celebrates their birthday in month of October. Second question is, how many students have their birthdays in April? Now you can see in month of April there are 3 students who celebrates their birthdays. So let us write 3. Third question, which month has the maximum number of birthdays? Now we can see that in some months 2 children celebrates their birthdays. In some months 3 are there. Let us find out the maximum number. Now in month of March we can see that 4 children celebrates their birthday. So this is the maximum number. So let us write March. In month of March, maximum number of children celebrates their birthdays. Fourth one, in which month are there no birthdays? Now have a look at the table and see in which month there is no birthday celebrations. Yes, it's July. Fifth one, name the children whose birthdays are in January. Now have a look at the table and tell me Who celebrates their birthday in month of January? Maya and Tanaya. Now my dear students, tell me, how do you celebrate your birthday? Thank you.